Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Spline with React. If you want to add interactive three-dimensional scenes to your React website or web application, Spline makes the process much easier than traditional three-dimensional development. In this guide, I'll walk you through everything step by step in 2026. First, open Spline and create the scene you want to use in your React project. This can be anything from a simple animation to a fully interactive three-dimensional experience. Next, publish your project and copy the scene link. You'll need this URL later when connecting the scene to your React application. Now open your React project and make sure everything is running correctly. I mean, having a working React setup before adding Spline will make the integration process much smoother. Next, install the official Spline package for React. This package allows your application to load and display Spline scenes directly inside React components. After installation, import the Spline component and paste your published scene URL. Once connected, the scene should appear directly inside your React page. Now test your application and make adjustments as needed. You can resize the scene, change layouts, and combine it with other React components to create a more polished experience. Once everything works properly, deploy your React application. I mean, your Spline scene will remain interactive for visitors just like it was during development. And that's basically it. You now know how to use Spline with React in 2026. This is a great way to add modern three-dimensional experiences to websites without building everything from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.